Samsung has adopted a tall, but narrow, boxy design aesthetic for the Galaxy Note 8. The handset sports slightly sharper edges and a larger 6.3-inch edge-to-edge infinity display, 18.5:9, than both the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus, making it impossible to use with one hand, even with the dedicated one-handed operation mode turned on. The rest of the design is not dissimilar to what we've seen in the past. There's a sheet of glass on the front, a slab of aluminium in the middle and a sheet of glass on the back, which, when combined with the omission of Samsung's branding beneath the speaker grille, makes for one of the best-looking smartphones to hit the shelves in 2017. To prevent a huge area of glass from shattering into a million pieces should the device happen to take a tumble, Samsung's coated it with Corning's Gorilla Glass 5. Fortunately, we're still yet to drop our unit, so we can't comment on its effectiveness, but we'll let you know how it fares up when we inevitably do. It probably won't come as a surprise to hear that the Galaxy Note 8 is prone to fingerprint smudges. Actually, scratch that. Prone is too loose of a word. The handset is a fingerprint magnet. If you're a clean freak, we'd recommend leaving a microfiber cloth in your backpack, and on your nightstand, and one in your office. You get the picture. As for features, there's an 8-megapixel front-facing camera, an iris scanner, an earpiece, and an LED notification light tucked away in the top bezel. There's nothing visible on the bottom bezel, though the lower portion of the infinity display acts as a pressure-sensitive home button that can be used to wake the unit and return to the home screen.